Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video I'm going to try and answer a question which we get quite a lot, and it is basically, can you reset an airbag light without actually fixing the fault with a diagnostic tool like this one? This is an iCarSoft diagnostic tool. If you are needing a diagnostic tool in any case to diagnose a warning light, then by all means click on to www.diagnostic-world.com, or I'll put the link to this these kits in the description below this video. But what I want you to do for this video is just forget about these warning lights, because that is an ABS problem we've got. We're looking at simply the airbag light. And yeah, so it's a common question. Let's say, for example, you have a test coming up. In the UK, we have a yearly MOT test, and this will fail your MOT test. So what a lot of people try to do is basically, without fixing the problem, buy a diagnostic tool and just hope that the tool will actually reset. Well, that is, what we're going to answer if that will happen. So this is the tool here. We have it plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to go through the process of just first of all diagnosing that airbag fault. So we're just going to select our vehicle here, and we're going to select the airbag system. So airbag, and click on to read DTCs, which is read diagnostic trouble codes, and we've got two fault codes here: driver side airbag limit value exceeded, and the other one is communication with instrument cluster. I think that one is because of a low battery that we've been getting, but in any case, we're waiting for a new connector coming for the airbag light. So I can tell you now that the airbag problem with this car has not actually been fixed. So it's still in a broken state. That's why I've got the airbag light on, and all I really need to do to show you as to whether you can actually do this or not is click on to clear DTCs, that's diagnostic trouble codes, and that will potentially allow us to either attempt to do the reset and reset the light, or we'll see what happens. So clear DTCs, fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure? I'm going to click OK. So we click erase operation done. The airbag light has gone off, but it's come back on. And that looks like the answer to the question. Basically what the tool is doing is it's sending a message to the ECU. The tool is doing exactly what you've asked it to do. It's sending a message to the ECU to say, right, we think we've fixed the fault, do a scan of the airbag system and report back to us. So we've told this to clear the fault. The airbag system in the car is running a test, and once it realised that the fault hadn't been fixed or still an open circuit, it popped the airbag light back on, basically to tell us, nope, the fault is not fixed, I'm not turning that light off. And that is really the answer, and it goes the same with the ABS system, and that is the ethics of diagnostics, really. These systems are not designed, these systems are designed for safety. They're not designed to try and fool anyone, fool any sort of MOT testers or yearly garage testers. They are there for a reason, because when that airbag is on, the airbag system within the vehicle is not actually active. So it's keeping it on for a reason, in order for you to make sure you do the relevant fixes to make your car safe again. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that is the answer. Like I say, it's going to be the same for pretty much anything else. The only circumstance where this might not happen and where the light might fully turn off is probably like a check engine light. If you've got, say, an intermittent fault which is only happening once every week or so, you may be able to get away with turning the light off with the code reader, but it might come back on maybe 30, 40, 50 miles down the road, or depending on how often you use it, the next day or the day after. So that is in essence the answer, and I hope it's given you the information you need. But if you are looking for a scan tool for your, whatever vehicle you have, and you are looking to turn off the ABS light or the airbag or check engine light, service light, then by all means please consider Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to all of these kits in the description below this video. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps.